right, so if you just joined myEcon, or if you are thinking about joining myEcon, what you do in the first 7 days matters more than anything else. When people fail with myEcon, they don't fail because myEcon doesn't work. They failed because they rush, they skip steps, or they focus on the wrong things too early. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to focus on in your first 7 days with myEcon. Day 1 is about orientation, not income. Your goal is to understand what myEcon actually is, what it does, and how the pieces fit together. People who skip this step usually get confused and feel lost. Days 2 and 3 are about learning, not promoting. This is where you start understanding credit, taxes, debt, and financial education. You don't need mastery yet. You just need to get familiar. Days 4 and 5 are about alignment. This is where people either set themselves up for success or confusion. Follow one system. Don't mix strategies, and don't compare yourself to others. The only person you should be in competition with is yourself from yesterday. Day 6 is about action. Small action. Learning how to move without overwhelming yourself. This is where confidence will start to form. Day 7 is reflection. Look at what you learned, what makes sense, and what questions you have. If you've joined myEcon through my team at myecondream.com, you would have gotten a text message and an email directly from me, the welcome email, that tells you the first 2 things you need to do, which is become a member of our private Facebook group that has over 10,000 members, because you can ask questions there directly to me, to the big man himself, and to everybody else in the group. If you have a question, the odds are somebody else has already had it and has already asked it. So that group is very important. Your weekly pay secret account is very important. That's where you get your free leads. That's where your capture page and sales funnel are. And if by day 7, once you've watched everything, once you've looked at everything, if you have any questions, obviously you can reach out to me at any time. But you need to get familiar with myEcon's BMC, the home site for myEcon. That has everything you need right there. It has its own capture pages. It has its own sales funnels. It has its own marketing materials. myEcon literally gives you everything you need. When you join through me, you get access to extra stuff. The weekly pay secret system, priority access to me, somebody that's successful with myEcon, and all the bonuses that come along with me. You can check those out at myecondream.com. So when you have questions at the end of day 7, ask them. Don't feel stupid for having a question. Don't feel stupid for asking a question. Just ask it. This is where you need to be set up for success. And that's exactly what I want to do. All right. Now that you know what to do in the first 7 days, here's what to avoid doing in your first 7 days. These are the things that people that have failed have all done. Don't rush income. If you try to rush income, you're going to get overwhelmed. Don't skip education. And don't compare timelines. Everyone's pace is different. So when you ask someone, how fast did you make money? When did you get your first check with myEcon? It's not going to be the same for everybody. Some people are further along in the knowledge of how affiliate marketing works than others. But the knowledge is here. It is right here, and it is at your fingertips. You just have to use it. The get-rich-quick schemes out there are not going to work. If you want to change your future this year, if you want to make it different for yourself, This is where you got to start. The first week is where you set expectations. It's where you build confidence. And it determines whether this feels stressful or manageable. If you're researching myEcon, understanding the first 7 days changes everything. That's why I've made this series. Watch the full series before deciding. Make sure that if you have any questions, you ask. I'm going to put my team link in the description. It's right here. Go to myecondream.com. You can check it out there. You'll get my personal contact info and we can chat. Or you can just go through, watch everything, get started. Like I always say, you get that link on day one and you can share that link on day one. And on day one, you can earn money with myEcon on day one. I'm not saying don't market your link right away. What I'm saying is understand what you're marketing and you will be able to go a lot further, a lot faster, and a lot more confidently. So I'm going to put the link to the playlist, this little button right here, the handy little button. You can click on that. It'll take you straight to the playlist. You can watch through all the videos and make sure that you hit the subscribe button. I'll put it over there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure the bell is checked so you get notified when I put more of these out. I'm going to put one of these out every day. I'm going to try to put one of these out every day. All right. So far, I haven't missed a day. So we're going to keep it going. But let me know if you have questions, please. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.